Good morning or good afternoon, everyone. Today I will be talking about role of intellectual property rights in information system development. As technology evolves, protecting innovation has become more important than ever. That's where intellectual property or IP comes in. Intellectual property rights are essential for protecting innovation in information system. They give developers and organizations the legal right to benefit from their work. An organization which encourage creativity and progress. There are different types of IP like patent, copyright, and trademark, each playing a specific role in protecting software, content, and brand identity. It also important for IT professionals to understand how to work with IP when collaborating or using open source tools. Let's begin with the significance of IP in the innovation. Intellectual property or IP rights are crucial for encouraging creativity and innovation. They provide legal protection that assure developers and organizations can reward to their innovation. Next, we look out the form of intellectual property, patent, copyright, and trademarks. Each play a key role in safeguarding different elements of information system. They ensure that creators receive both recognition and financial reward for their contribution. Now let's talk about protecting IP in the collaboration. When working together, professionals can protect IP through clear agreements, confidentiality clauses, and awareness of open source implications. This helps avoid intellectual infringement and promotes trust. Finally, consider ethical implication of IP issues balancing the rights of creators with the need for innovation and accessibility in crucial. We must address issues the foster of responsible use of technology. Let's explore how legal frameworks governing intellectual property impact software development and technology deployment. First, we consider the impact on software development. Intellectual property laws influence how code can be shared, modified, and used. Understanding these rules is crucial role for developers to work legally and efficiently. Next is technology deployment regulations. Regulations shape how organizations deploy technology by requiring compliance with licensing and legal standards. This helps prevent infringement and legal penalties. Now let's talk about open source. Consideration development must understand open source license as these define how software can be used, changed, and shared. Following these rules ensure compliance with intellectual property laws. Finally, navigating legal challenges. Information system professionals need to handle legal risk, conduct proper due diligence, and be prepared for issues like litigation related to IP use in. In summary, legal framework shape every step of software creation of deployment. Staying informed helps protect both developers and organizations from costly legal issues. Next, we are going to talk about awareness of intellectual property rights prevents infringement and foster ethical practice in IT. Preventing infringements. Awareness of intellectual property rights is essential for IT professionals to prevent unintentional infringement, which can lead to costly legal dispute and damage to professional reputations. Educating teams of IP. IT leaders should prioritize education they learn on intellectual property rights, ensuring everyone is informed about the implication of their work and the importance of compliance with IP laws. Fostering ethical practices. Understanding and respecting IP rights fosters ethical practices within the information technology community, encouraging professionals to innovate responsible while upholding the right of others. Promoting responsible use of resources. By promoting culture of respect intellectual property, organization can enhance collaboration among these while ensuring that resources are used responsibly and ethically technology projects.
Thank you, Rosit. Today I'm going to talk about different forms of intellectual property, patents, copyrights, and trademarks. Patents provide exclusive rights to invention crucial for competitive advantage. Under that, innovation protection strategies. If I explain this, patents serves as crucial tools for information systems professionals to protect their technological innovations, ensuring that their unique contributions remain exclusive and maintain competitive advantage. Next, investment attraction. Holding patents can attract investors as it signals a firm's commitment to innovation and provides a safeguard for potential revenue streams through licensing and exclusivity. Copyrights protect original works, essential for software developers and content creators alike. First one is code ownership and rights. Under that, copyrights grant software developers ownership over their code, which is vital in ensuring that their intellectual contributions are respected and not misused by others. After that, second one, creative content safeguarding. For content creators in information systems, copyrights ensure that their original works, such as documentation, design, and user interfaces, are legally protected from unauthorized use. Third one, revenue generation opportunities. Under that, through copyrights, professionals can monetize their creations, leading to potential revenue streams via licensing agreements or royalties from their original software and content. Trademarks safeguard brand identity, vital for establishing trust and loyalty in information systems. Under that, brand recognition and loyalty. Trademarks help information systems professionals create a strong brand identity, fostering customer recognition and loyalty that is crucial in the competitive tech market. Next one, legal protection against imitation. Trademarks provide legal avenue for professionals to protect their brand from imitation or duplication, ensuring that their reputation remains intact. Next one, market positioning. By recognizing trademarks, professionals can strategically position their products and services, thus enhancing their overall market presence and customer perception. Last one, enhancing business value. Strong trademarks can significantly enhance the overall value of a business in information systems, making it more attractive to investors and partners. Thank you.
Hi, I am Milan. Section 3, Protecting Intellectual Property in Collaborative Projects and Open Source. Establishing clear agreements ensures IP protection in collaborative software projects and open source initiatives. Importance of clear agreements. Clear agreements among team members define ownership and usage rights of intellectual property, which is crucial for avoiding disputes in collaborative software developments. Collaborative environments. In collaborative projects, establishing clear agreements not only fosters trust but also enhances the commitment of contributors to respect and protect each other's intellectual property. Using license effectively helps professionals navigate IP rights while leveraging open source resources. Understanding licensing types. Different licenses such as MIT, GPL, and Apache and dictate how code can be used, modified, and distributed, providing a framework for developers to operate within the bounds of IP law. Navigating IP rights. Effective usage of license empowers professionals to navigate complex IP rights, enabling them to leverage existing open source resources without infringing upon others' rights. Best practices in documentation and attribution are critical for safeguarding contributions in collaborations. Under documentation importance, through documentation of collaboration, contributions in collaborative projects helps establish ownership and ensure that all participants are acknowledged for their works. Under attribution standards, adhere to proper attribution standards not only respects original creators but also enhances the credibility of the projects, fostering a culture of respect and collaborations. Under maintaining records, keeping detailed records of contributions and communications can serve as evidence in case of disputes, providing a clear trail of authors and intent. The last one is ethical considerations. Ethically best practices in documentation and attribution promote transparency in collaborations. Thank you. My part is over. Lahilu will continue from here. Thank you.
Thank you, Milan. Today I'm going to talk about ethical implication of intellectual property in information systems. This slide empowers the ethical balance between fostering innovation and respecting the right of IP holders. In information systems, developers must not only focus on technological advancement but also mindful of fair use policies, ensuring that creativity does not come at the cost of violating others' rights. A good understanding of legal frameworks helps professionals avoid unintentional infringement and encourage cultural accountability. Developers often face conflict between the spirit of collaboration and the legalities of IP ownership. On one hand, they want to contribute the open source community. On the other, they must protect their own and others' intellectual property. This slide explores how collaboration strategies and a strong respect of IP rights can help developers ethically share knowledge while safeguarding innovations. Here we highlight how awareness of IP ethics contributes to responsible behavior within tech community. Promoting ethical conduct in handling intellectual property not only ensures legal compliance but also sustains a culture of mutual respect and innovation. Educational initiatives are especially valuable in embedding these ethical standards into professional practices. Now we are going to conclude our presentation. Let's wrap up the discussion by reinforcing the importance of understanding, protecting, and ethically managing intellectual property in the field of information system development. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.